The best tankless water heaters of 2024. Save energy and get hot water on demand with these tankless water heaters. Tankless water heaters provide hot water on demand. Wherever and whenever you need it, they run on gas or electricity. Provide higher energy efficiency, have a longer lifespan, and are more compact than tank models, which makes them optimal for use in smaller spaces. Since tankless water heaters only heat water as necessary, they eliminate standby energy losses too. Regular water heaters store and constantly heat a large volume of water in a tank, making hot water readily available but less energy efficient, says Andrew Miles, a New York City licensed master plumber at Water Filter Cast. Tankless would be best for smaller families that don't have high hot water demands, or don't need to use multiple outlets of hot water at the same time. If you're stuck between choosing a tankless or regular water heater, Miles explains, tankless units will have a lower flow rate, so selecting one over the other mainly comes down to that. Before you start shopping, add up the flow rate, or GPM gallons per minute, of the fixtures you expect to be running at the same time, such as your shower and your washing machine, to determine if these units will work for your household. If it does, there are several factors to keep in mind to find the best tankless water heater for your home. Number 1. EcoSmart Eco 27 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Best overall. As our top pick for the best tankless water heater, the EcoSmart Eco 27 is an extremely easy to use water heating option that can reduce your home's electrical load and save you money on your electric bill. It's easy to set up. The water heater has a flow rate of 5.27 GPM and enough power to instantly heat water for the average medium-sized family while keeping water consistently hot. To save energy, the 27,000-watt device features a patented self-modulating technology that adjusts the energy consumed based on your personal hot water needs. There's a sensor instead of a flow switch that will detect a drop in water pressure so you won't be doused with cold water while it's heating up. Known as the cold water sandwich, that's common in many tankless water heaters. The temperature of this electric tankless heater goes from 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and there's an intuitive digital thermostatic temperature control that allows you to set it in single-degree increments. While the water will not get as hot as some other tankless water heaters, it still provides a more than adequate water temperature for showering and cleaning needs. Number 2. EcoSmart Eco 11 Tankless Electric Water Heater. Best budget. With its low wattage and small size, the EcoSmart Eco 11 Electric Tankless Water Heater is our top pick for the best tankless water heater for anyone on a budget. It's ideal for smaller families of 2 or 3, and it's only 11.5 inches in height, making it a great point-of-use water heater for inside a cabinet where it can be out of sight. 2. It also only weighs 6.5 pounds, which helps when it comes to installation. Designed to provide continuous hot water from 2.1 to 3.1 gallons per minute, just what's needed for a shower or bathroom and kitchen sink, this small electric water heater is easy to use with only a single knob controlling the temperature. The water can reach 140 degrees Fahrenheit, however, this will be lower in much colder climates. The temperature can be changed, if need be, in 1-degree increments by simply turning the controller. The temperature is also clearly visible on the easy-to-read LED display. Number 3. Rinnai Ru 199 in Super High Efficiency Plus. Best Splurge. Rinnai's Ru 199 in model tops our list for the best tankless water heater in the condensing category. Although it's quite pricey, it has a high flow rate of up to 11 GPM for running multiple fixtures and appliances at once and a powerful 199,000 BTU, extremely quiet at just 48 decibels. This natural gas unit is great for point-of-use installation as you'll hardly hear it, even if it's in your ensuite bathroom. A good condensing tankless water heater is great for anyone who would like the convenience of an eco-friendly unit with a higher flow rate, and this model ticks those boxes. The Rinnai unit has high efficiency ratings of up to 0.96 UEF, Uniform Energy Factor rating, a measure of energy efficiency. The higher the UEF, the more efficient the unit, and can be used with more cost-effective venting materials, such as polypropylene or PVC. The downsides are that the cost is typically higher up front, and the unit also requires a drain and a 0.75-inch gas line, which may limit your installation options. Number 4. Bosch Tronic 3000T point of use electric mini tank water heater. Best hybrid. While the Bosch electric mini tank water heater Tronic 3000T isn't exactly a tankless water heater, it might as well be, as it has all the perks of one. Deserving of a spot on our list of the best tankless water heaters. This hybrid unit is only 13.75 inches square, and can be placed indoors anywhere at point of use. Including on a shelf, the floor, a wall, the mounting bracket is included. Or even in a small, organized under-sink cabinet, it's easy to install and highly affordable. There are two versions available, this 2.5-gallon model, or a slightly more expensive 4-gallon unit at the same size, both with high thermal efficiency designed to keep costs down. This little electric unit is far from a whole house water heater, but it's great for use at a single sink or for supplying a condo, RV, or summer house with hot water. There's a built-in temperature release valve to increase safety, and it can supply hot water for up to 2 sinks at a time. Number 5. Stiebel Eltron Electric Tankless Water Heater. Best electric. As one of the most energy-saving tankless water heaters on our list, the Stiebel Eltron Temper 36 Plus won't ever use more electricity than you need it to while heating water. And since it has a minimum heating setting of 68 degrees Fahrenheit, it won't allow the water to surprisingly scald you when you're just trying to quickly wash your hands. This clever little electric unit is very quiet and has a flow rate of up to 7.5 GPM and 36,000 watts. This model also has a technology that will slightly reduce the water flow when hot water is in high usage, so that you won't be shocked by the cold water sandwich while it's trying to keep up with the hot water demand. The temperature can be set with the intuitive buttons and control knob, and there's also a temperature memory setting. Its automatic modulation helps save you even more energy, and the digital display will always let you know the temperature. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.